Hello, welcome back to our new video today. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we achieve this beautiful cutie updo hairstyle on my beautiful girls. Okay, so stick tuned and let's dive into it with no further ado. Thank you. All right, yeah, let's go into it. So this is how the hair is. Okay, we've already moisturized and everything. So what I'm doing is the usual. I'll part the hair from ear to ear, okay, in preparation for the hairstyle. Okay, so please, if you haven't liked this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, okay, for more videos. Okay, so again, what I'm doing pretty much is, of course, dividing the hair into four. Okay, I did first one was the ear to ear, and now I'm parting the front section into two, okay, again for easy braiding. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the back. Okay, all right, now we are back to the back, okay, to begin braiding. Okay, and that's what I'm doing. So this is a cornrow hairstyle, actually an updo, and we're gonna end with a crochet. Okay, so just keep watching, and I hope you enjoyed this and you get to try it on your baby girl's hair or even your hair. Okay, if you're good with braiding yourself. Okay, so please stay tuned and let's keep watching. Okay, I'm gonna keep my mouth shut and I'm gonna come back later. Okay, so keep watching. It's easy to understand. It's just a cornrow. Okay, just keep trying. If you haven't, if you're not good with it, just keep practicing. I'll tell you, practice, 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 and I bet you'll be good at it. Okay, so let me keep my mouth shut and I'll see you soon. Here we're done. Okay, I'm just braiding the hair in the middle, and here I did the crochet hair off the camera. Okay, and this beautiful hair I got it from Amazon, and I'm gonna leave it the link down below my storefront. Okay, I'm also an influencer on Amazon, so feel free to check out my storefront and see what you got there. Okay, this is the finished result of this gorgeous hairstyle. Okay, now I'm doing the sister, and I bet you I did this two girls hair, okay, style in 3 hours. Okay, so just stick around. Again, it was very late. I had to do it really late night on Friday, and I mean, I'm super proud of both of them. Okay, because we had to do something the next day, like really important something the next day, so I really had to do their hair that night, and I'm proud of them that they had to stick with me. It was very late, they were tired, but again, they did that wonderful. So again, so this is her sister, and we're doing the same thing we did to on the other person. Okay, so we're gonna do the same exact thing. All right, so I'm just gonna let you keep watching. Okay, and but in her case, I'm gonna show you, of course, how I did the crochet. Okay, so keep watching, and I will see you soon. Take care. I'm back again. So we're gonna repeat the same thing here, okay? But I think here we're gonna do more than we did the last time, okay? Now, if you're still hanging here with me, come on now. What are you still waiting for? Like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos, okay? So you be aware when we upload more videos, okay? I intend to be uploading videos of my girl's hairstyle, my hairstyle, or any other hair that I do here on this channel, okay? Pretty much every Thursdays, God willing, okay? So please stay tuned and keep watching and supporting us, okay? Like, share, and subscribe again, okay? This helps us as well, okay? Thank you for sticking with us, and just sit down tight and watch us do the magic. See you soon. All right, we are back again. Okay, so here we're doing the crochet. Okay, so I'm using this hair that I got from Amazon, okay, to crochet into the hair. Okay, so I kind of pick it, I skip one, I crochet into the next one. Okay, and that's how I did the rest of the hair. Okay, and it's just have to just crochet it around the hair. Okay, her hair, and then I crochet in some of the ponytail there side, okay, just to cover it a little bit, not much, but again, just like you see here, just once you cover the round side and get it all together, here I am, putting the rubber to hold it together, and again add some color to the hair. Okay, so this was pretty beautiful hairstyle, and they love it so much. Okay, they were like, oh yeah, I love it. Okay, they both gave me a hug for doing their hair. Okay, I know it wasn't on camera because I already turned off the camera when the whole thing happened, but anyways, they were grateful and happy, excited to have their new hairstyle. Okay, so I am grateful too and happy that they were able to stick with me. Okay, it was late night, but they were all tired. I was tired, everybody was tired, sleepy, but the end result is what matters. Okay, we love it. The end result is cute. I wish I could get this on my head too, but anyways, let me know if you try this hairstyle on your baby girl's hair, or it yourself, or a friend or family. I would love to know in the comments. Again, thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Again, thumbs up to this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Okay, and don't forget to share now. Okay, this hair is cute and it's giving. Oh my god, it's giving. Okay, so I ended up with a mousse, and that's it. Okay, the hair is simple and beautiful. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for more videos. We love you. See you.